and the next one I think is 855 if not been used already. I'm not sure if you, in St. Martin, whether you allow people to call toll-free numbers, but you already marked in, that's done on the television, where you allow them to call them 1-800 and you bill them in some form or fashion. Now you can mimic these codes locally once people call them, just dial 800, not 1-800, go 1-800% outside of St. Martin. Alright, so we have used these similarly, we have given them out 866 and 877 in Trinidad for local use right now. But these codes contain millions of numbers, and you would want me to say just use 800, no point using other different codes. 800, controlled by the regulator, will provide more than enough numbers for all the toll-free service you may ever need in St. Martin. Public education. It's public education, I can't stress enough on that, because you're going to change your dialing format, and you're going to have a new access code for calls made to nations in country code 1. For instance, USA, Canada, English-speaking Caribbean, Puerto Rico, we all belong to the North American numbering plan, and right now to call, you call 00 and then 1, 868 for Trinidad, you call 212 for New York, and this type of thing. I think your routing and your dialing patterns will change. The new access codes for nations, made to nations now, called made to nations, like going back to the Netherlands and going to Europe and North America, not North America, but UK, would change, and you have to tell them how to dial that. You'll have to tell them new emergency codes, unless you have 911 already. You'll have the service codes, the 211, the 611, 411. You need to include them on that. And of course, there will be new rates assigning now, because you will not be routing old routes. You may have new routes to North America, because you're probably using Columbus 1 or Columbus 2, whichever fiber passes here, and you will have new rates. So you need, public education is very important in transitioning to the new numbering plan, and I want to say that it is sometimes a challenge, particularly when people are schooled from a long time in dialing the old patterns. So you may have to give a little handout, put in papers all the time, what is your pattern, what your dialing patterns are, when to call locally, what you want to call, and when you see numbers, all that. It's quite a challenge, and I don't envy you all what you're facing in time to come. Thank you very much.